Hi, my name is Tajmir and today we'll be learning all about visual programming. We will start up with the low level and then dive in and create one together complete application. And for the development of visual programming, we will be using Microsoft Visual Programming. But in this video, I just give short introduction. After that, we will be live coding and explain each and everything from scratch. And by the end of this video or playlist, you will be able to write and develop a visual programming from scratch. So let's start now. What is visual programming? Visual refer to anything related to sight or vision. It can be describe image, colors, graphics or anything that can be seen. So the visual programming used to provide a user-friendly interface for interacting with the program. Like a different object like window, menu, buttons, and list boxes are used to develop the graphical user interface. So you can see in the right side there is some components like button, checkbox, combo box, labels, list box. So you just need to drag and drop where you want to use. So the application and the code will be added automatically. The visual program environment also provides some specific attached code with each components, and the attached code executed when the user interact with the object. So visual programming environment, the program and design user interface visually instead of writing code. So you just need to drag and drop. So that is very helpful for developer. And every component like this button, when I drag drop this button, so the code will be adding and add automatically. So there is don't need to write code manually. Okay, so it's a way of writing program where you don't need to type code manually. Instead you use a graphical interface with the drag and drop elements. The attached code executed when the user interact with the objects. Okay, so when after complete the applications and develop the applications, when you deploy to user or during testing time, when you click on the button, so it will be fully functional and it will be working. Like a visual program look like a PPT components. When we drag any components like button, circle, triangle, so but only the difference is that is there in the PPT there is no functional and no functionality of handling clicks of the buttons and etc. And uh, inside a visual program, and when we click on any buttons, so it will be fully functions and it will be executes your code, your statement, everything you want from that button. Like there in the console dot right line, we just want to print some message like click me. So when you click this button, so the click me message will be print in the console. It is very easy language to create effective applications. Visual Basic provide many tools that help the programmer to develop program easily and quickly. It can be used to build the graphical user interface by dragging and drop different objects like buttons and tick box. It's also an advantage of this visual programming because you can develop write code in a short time, and rapidly you can develop any application or software with a short team or with a few developers, and costlessly because when there is uh, small team, so there is low budget on that software. So this is also the advantage of visual programming. So this is the short introduction. Thank you for watching this video. Let me start writing code in the next video. I will be start code from scratch, and thank you for watching this.